Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashim. This is today's leg training workout. I had a really high volume leg day. So I started off with 185 for 4 sets of 12 reps. I've done this before as well, so this is not news to some of you. Those of you who follow me are aware that most of the basic minimal front squat workout that I will have right now is going to be 4 sets of 12 reps with 185. So I haven't been able to build on this, but I did build on 205 at the end of the workout. So I did 185 for 4 sets of 12, and then I did 285 for 2, and then 305 for 1. I wanted to do 305 for 2, and you guys are going to notice with the 305 set when it comes around, and I'll point it out to you guys. You guys will notice that I stop at the top and I'm thinking, I'm calculating at that time that can I do one more rep or am I going to fail? And then I decide that no, you know what, let's be conservative today, and next week I'll push it and I'll do 2 reps. So anyway, I was a little unhappy about that, but after 305 I did 205 for 10 reps, and last time I'd gotten 8, and this time it felt very heavy and difficult, and I almost wanted to give up, but I didn't, and I finished I got my target volume with 205, so I'm happy. As I've mentioned before, I'm gonna try to turn 205 from 10 reps to 12 reps, and I'm progressing with like tiny baby steps. I happened to mention this in my deadlift video as well from last night, where I'm just trying to add a rep over here, a rep over there, very minimal small improvements, and overall in time it's going to look big because it's going to be big steps. Because think about it, when I started this new workout routine that Eric has given me, I was doing just 4 sets of 12 reps with 185. That's 48 reps in total. Now I think the total reps, not counting the 2 sets that I do in between 185 and 285, not counting those two whatever acclimation sets that I have, just looking at the work sets that I've penned down, I'm doing almost over 60 reps. So that's a big improvement over time, that's happened. So anyway, 205 for 10 is what I did today. I think next week I'm going to try to get 205 for 11 or 12. Whenever that happens, I'm going to be moving 205 to the 185 set. So that means the 4 sets of 185 will become 3 sets of 185 and 1 set of 205. And then slowly I'm going to be replacing one more set of 1 more set of 185 with 205. So I'm going to build on this slowly. It sounds this is the plan right now, but at the end of the day, what my performance will dictate the progress that I decide to make. So this is 185 for 12. This is the last 4th set, and I hate this high volume stuff, but I enjoy it as well. It's one of those things where in between sets I'm going to be cursing everything and I'm going to be very unhappy, but when I'm doing it, I enjoy the burn. I like it. Yeah, and I really look forward to the challenge, because getting so many reps in is hard, and this is one of those exercises where after I do 8-9 reps over multiple sets, I really feel like vomiting and I feel extremely off. It's really me pushing myself to the max, and 305 is just 10 pounds short of my max. My 1 rep max is 315, and I got 305 after all of this volume. So I'm well in the 95+% range, I think. I'm not sure, but 305 is only 10 pounds off, so I'm really looking forward to that, to being able to build on this. Next week I'm going to go for 305 for 2. 205 for 10. I did 5 reps in a straight, in one breath, and then I had to sort of like rest pause it or whatever. This is all informal rest pause. I'm just using this fancy word. The point is, you can't do 10 reps. I can't do 10 reps with just one breath. I need to breathe in between, and then the weight is going to start feeling heavy. And bracing my core right after deadlifts is hard and challenging, but like I said, I enjoy doing leg day. I'm doing so many things that are unconventional, that are against the norm. I'm doing legs after deadlifts, or rather I'm doing heavy front squats and high volume front squats after deadlifts, and not only that, I'm also doing Romanian deadlifts, which is a deadlift variation right after deadlifts. So this is Romanian deadlifts. I did 3 sets of 15 reps, but this is the last set number 3, and I'm really trying to push my hips back and not last time when I did this exercise regularly, I ended up using too much weight, and this was a few years ago, and I ended up straining my hamstrings. So I'm cautious about that, and I seem to be more paranoid about it now, because I do not want another injury. So I'm playing it safe. And I will not be going heavy on this, but I'll be doing all these reps. The rep stuff really helps. I like the pump. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching, guys. I appreciate your love and support. Thank you.